Some vehicles take you places, but some change the way you live. This is not just a motorhome. This is freedom on wheels.
Standing here, it almost feels unreal. A home, a vehicle, and a dream all in one. This is the 2026 Swift Trekker 540.
Every line, every curve is designed to move through the world with elegance. Strong, silent, and beautiful, just like the road ahead. Hidden within these walls is a promise. Space for everything you need, and strength to protect everything you love. Here, control meets comfort. A place where technology and trust come together, guiding you safely toward every new adventure. The road opens, and suddenly the world feels wide again. Every mile becomes a memory waiting to be made.
Step inside, and you feel it instantly. Warmth, peace, and a sense of home wherever you are.
With a gentle touch, the space transforms. Day turns into night, and comfort quietly takes over.
This is where stories are cooked, where warm meals become warm memories, no matter where you are in the world.
The simple joy of preparing food, even when the horizon is far from home. Above you, a secret unfolds, a place designed for rest, dreams, and peaceful nights. Here, the day gently fades away, replaced by comfort, quiet, and gentle dreams. Even in the smallest spaces, you find care, cleanliness, and dignity. Water flows, washing away the long journey, leaving only calm behind. The sun gives its energy, turning light into life, so your journey never has to stop. As darkness falls, this glowing home stands quietly, a safe light in the endless night. Every detail carefully placed to protect you, so you can travel without fear. This is not just a motorhome. It is a way of living, a way of dreaming, and a way of being free.